During the Artemis II lunar flyby, a breathtaking view unfolds through the Orion spacecraft window. The footage was captured just 3 minutes before Orion and its crew pass behind the Moon, losing contact with Earth for 40 minutes. In the foreground, the remarkable Ohm crater dominates the lunar surface, with its terraced edges and flat floor clearly visible. Ohm is a lunar impact crater that is located on the far side of the Moon. At its center, dramatic peaks rise, formed when the Moon's surface briefly melted and rebounded upward after a powerful impact, creating this complex and striking structure. This moment captures more than just a landscape. It tells the story of cosmic forces at work, offering a rare and fascinating glimpse into the Moon's history, as seen from the unique vantage point of deep space. Now, a soft, muted blue Earth appears against the vast darkness of space, partially illuminated by bright white cloud systems swirling across its surface. The contrast of light and shadow reveals one side bathed in daylight, while the other gently fades into night. Over the Australia and Oceania region, dynamic cloud formations drift and evolve, highlighting the constant motion of Earth's atmosphere and the delicate beauty of our living planet from deep space. In this next footage, the Moon appears dramatically backlit by the Sun during a solar alignment in April 2026, captured by a camera mounted on Orion's solar array wing. Orion's structure is visible in the foreground on the left, adding depth to the scene. Along the Moon's edge, Earth reflects sunlight, creating a subtle glow slightly brighter than the rest of the disk. Just below the Moon's lower right, a bright point reveals Saturn, while farther at the edge of the frame, Mars shines faintly in the distance. Now, shift your focus to this breathtaking close-up of the Moon, revealing a landscape shaped by billions of years of cosmic impacts. Along the edge of light and darkness, the Terminator, craters emerge in stunning detail. This stunning view was captured by a crew member of NASA's Artemis II during its lunar flyby. Here lies Vavilov crater, resting along the rim of the vast Hertzsprung basin on the far side. Notice how the terrain transitions from smoother inner planes to rugged, heavily cratered surfaces. Long shadows stretch across the ground, emphasizing depth, shape, and texture, while highlighting ejecta patterns, debris blasted outward by ancient collisions. Captured during a far-side flyby, this rare view unveils the moon's violent past, frozen in the silence of space. Now, the footage reveals the stunning Mare Orientale on the moon's surface, one of the most spectacular impact structures in the solar system. At its center lies a round crater marked by a dark patch of ancient lava, surrounded by concentric rings of towering mountains formed by a massive collision. Just to the northeast, the dark circular feature is Grimaldi Crater, known for its smooth lava-filled floor.